Haka nohphai sngi jong ka arpoh Tarik Nailur hajar arpoh ki dkhot jong ka Central Puja Committee Meghalaya hapoh ka jingialam General Secretary jylla kila Pynbna ki Tarik hakaba on sa Pynlong ka Jingrakhe Durga Puja baroh kawei ka jylla Meghalaya. Haba Pynbna ka lyngba kilat pathai khubor jylla iathuh bamantau snem on rakhe ka Durga Puja naduh ka Tarik haduh ka Tarik ubnai Risaw hajar arpoh hakaba on sadon haduh arspa san tylli ki Puja Mandap Committee ki ban khmi bakate ke Jingrakhe Pynlong kaba yat renti. Hakaju kapor General Secretary ka Central Puja Committee Meghalaya ulapan benaru ba ondon haduh khat san tylli ki jaka bread blay ki balapan kre baroh kawei ke jylla ban Pynla ki pajba ban bread ki blay thau ha ka sngi khaddu jong ka Jingrakhe Durga Puja Mandap
From one puja pandal to another. So through our esteemed media friends, we would like to appeal to all the devotees. Please avoid taking out your cars because parking is a big challenge during even now normal times. So puja times. So we should not become a source of problem for other friends who are not celebrating the pujas. We should think of all. And that is the reason we are saying go for pooling or avoid taking out your individual cars. Travel in those buses. Sufficient number of buses will be provided to take people from one point to another, and it may continue up to 11:30 at night. Number two is the environment issue. We are all seized with environmental issues, and we have seen that so many PILs and in the court, and I think as individuals also, even if it is not a judicial intervention, we should all be concerned. And I being also individually being involved in this, we are saying that like before, this year I think we will be able to achieve 100% where artificial dyes will not be used, maximum of earth and hay, and before the immersion there will be cleaning of the place in immersion place, and subsequent within 24 or 36 hours these all the idols and whatever else is there will be removed. Now from last few years we have made provision that whatever puja materials are not dumped into the river. All of you might have seen we make separate arrangements where all these are dumped into a basket which is kept there, so that these materials are not dumped into the river. So within 36 hours, we will 24 to 36 hours. In fact, we had requested the government that we should start the dip and lift process. You dip and take out, symbolic, but the government is yet to provide us with all those JCBs and all which will be required.
Space also.
All our puja committees are ready for this. So I think hopefully from next year the government will provide us the infrastructure. Otherwise, the cleaning and everything is done by us. Only the carrying of the materials to Martin is done by the Shillong Municipal Board, and we are receiving full cooperation and support from all the departments. And we also appeal to all communities, irrespective, not only the faithfuls of who are celebrating Durga Puja, but Shillong has always risen above all issues to harmonize, and that is the reason also we start the Puja festival with our get-together of harmony, all faith, all religion, to usher in the festival season. So on behalf of CPC and all of us, we appeal to all the communities to come forward, celebrate this festival, and we solicit the support of each and every individual of the state of Shillong to be with us and celebrate this festival together.
Except 2020 and 21, this year more than 257 Durga Puja, Community Durga Puja will be celebrated in the state of Meghalaya. So we have prepared a press handout about our program and activities of CPC. So actually third page is missing, but I will send a soft copy to you all so that you can edit it better. So first that you see that during the period of Corona, pickup period, 2020 and 21. CPC extended its service to all the affected corona affected people of Shillong, as well as we extended our coppers on help to the government of Meghalaya district administration as and when they sought. So now, so far the celebration of Durga Puja festival is concerned, that actual puja will start from 2nd of October and immersion will be on 5th. Before the puja, on 28th of September 2022, we will be holding our annual all faith, all religion get together harmony at Kenchester's Puja Pandal. Kenchester Shillong. Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Kondra Sangma will grace the occasion as chief guest, and all the leaders of the various religious group faith will attend the function as a special guest. Especially, you know, the SAF, Shillong All Faith Forum, that president will also attend along with other member. And immediately after that, we'll hold we'll celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, coupled with that 50 years of statehood by the government of by state of Meghalaya. So on 30th at Rajasthani Durga Puja Pandal, Lukia Road, at 4 p.m. There also our Honorable Chief Minister has kindly consented to grace the occasion as a chief guest. And other dignitaries will attend as a special guest. So it is a coincidence that Rajasthani Durga Puja Committee Lukia Road is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee year, that is 60 years of existence, performing the Durga Puja. So the inauguration of the Diamond Jubilee also take on 30th September at Rajasthan Durga Puja Pandal, and in collaboration with CPC, they will also arrange the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is 75th year of India's independence, and 50 years of our statehood. So these are the program, and one of the most popular program of the CPC is drum beat competition. On 3rd of October, it will take place at Rilbong Puja Pandal. As many as 20 Puja Pandal will participate, and this time Puja will be celebrated in pomp and gaiety. That numbers of Puja Committee already began the celebration. As many as 8 Durga Puja Committee of the Greater Shillong is celebrating centenary, Platinum Jubilee, Golden Jubilee, and above all, Haba is celebrating 127th year of Puja. They could not celebrate 125th year due to Corona, but this year they have decided to celebrate the 125th year of Durga Puja celebration. It is the oldest Puja Committee of Shillong, the Haba. So numbers of events they have already talked about, they are implementing, and during Puja they will have a numbers of program. Today's meeting, that main we are giving appraisal report on, you know, that we have a loan in immersion guard at Polo. We have been making appeal to all concerned, those who perform puja, whether community or individual, not to keep the idol on the under tree or roadside. Since we got a designated immersion guard at Polo, all are once again requested to, after performing puja, they should immerse the idol at immersion guard and not to throw any waste material, puja waste materials on the river. Because from the environment point of view, we do not encourage it, because we have to see the environment also. So And we have decided, CPC has decided, our chairman is here, that CPC's that multi-story building at Immersion Guard, you know that we used to erect temporary control room at Polo during Immersion Day, but we want to give a permanent shape to this with a community hall and other toilet facilities, and that everything will be there. Our CPC office room will be there.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.